Hello from samaditech. Today, we're exploring a selection of must-have cutting-edge tools designed to take your skills to the next level. Uncover these essential gadgets that are sure to enhance your craftsmanship. Makita's cordless microwave oven is a great portable solution for heating food on the go. It offers two power settings, 350 watts and 500 watts, catering to various heating needs. Its compact design, with a 1.5 cubic foot capacity and a built-in handle, ensures easy transportation. The microwave is built tough, featuring a waterproof and dust-proof body, a USB input port, and a durable tempered glass door. The innovative dual-battery auto-switching system extends runtime, providing longer usage between charges. It also features a clear LED display for heating time and battery status, along with internal LED lighting that activates when the door is open or during use. The rotary knob allows precise adjustments from 10 seconds up to 20 minutes for tailored heating control. Bosch Cordless Eccentric Sander combines a compact design with powerful performance, driven by an 18-volt brushless motor that rivals corded models. It has an ergonomic grip handle and a vibration-dampening feature to minimize user fatigue during long tasks. The 5-inch 8-hole sanding pad is optimized for effective dust collection, especially when attached to a vacuum or dust extractor, keeping the workspace clean. The tool's design offers excellent control, even in tight spots. It features a soft start function for smooth contact with the surface and maintains consistent speed for stable operation under heavy loads. The Malco Professional 2-position metal roof bender is engineered to streamline your work by creating precise bends from 0 degrees to 100 degrees on straight panels of any length. It accommodates bend depths ranging from 3/16 inch to 5 7/8 inches, making it ideal for roof panel gable ends, aprons, and custom roofing projects. With adjustable roller spacing from 0.02 inches to 0.4 inches, this tool handles a variety of materials. It supports 24-gauge steel, 26-gauge stainless steel, 0.04-inch aluminum, 20 ounces copper, and 1 mm zinc. For smoother bends in aluminum and zinc, a 2 mm large radius accessory is available. The angled roller design prevents material scratching during 90-degree bends. Made of robust aluminum and stainless steel, this bender is easy to set up, lightweight and portable. Makita rechargeable coffee maker is perfect for coffee enthusiasts who want fresh brews on the go. This compact, cordless machine works seamlessly with Makita lithium-ion slider, 10.8 volts, 14.4 volts, and 18 volts, making it highly portable and versatile. It's designed to use both ground coffee and coffee pods, so there is no need for paper filters. The sturdy build includes a strong carry handle and a removable water tank for easy refills and cleaning. It brews a 5-ounce cup of coffee in just 5 minutes with a capacity to make 2 to 5 cups per charge, depending on the battery size. The kit also comes with an 8-ounce stainless steel mug with a lid and a measuring spoon. The Makita Thermo Wrench is a versatile cordless heat tool, providing over 21 minutes of continuous use per charge and reaching temperatures up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit with an airflow of 7 cubic feet per minute. It is ideal for tasks like vehicle tinting, paint and varnish removal, sticker removal, and wax application or removal. The tool includes user-friendly features like a trigger switch, an on-off lock, and a built-in LED light for improved visibility. Its compact design, measuring only 6 5/8 inches long, and soft rubber grip offer comfort during extended use. Additionally, it is compatible with a variety of interchangeable nozzles, which can be easily swapped using the quick-release mechanism without touching hot surfaces. The MODbox Toolbox by Klein Tools is designed to keep your tools well organized while ensuring durability and user-friendly features. It includes sturdy 10-inch solid rubber wheels, providing smooth movement across various terrains, making it ideal for challenging environments. The toolbox comes with built-in side rails for mounting additional accessories, allowing quick access to frequently used items. Its telescoping handle can be fully detached, offering easy storage in compact spaces or smaller vehicles. The rear compartment accommodates long, awkwardly shaped tools for convenient storage. The lid features a V-shaped pipe slot and a molded ruler for quick measuring, while a steel-reinforced slot allows for the attachment of a padlock or cable for added security. The CtrlAX Compact Ultrasonic Cutter is a versatile tool designed for precise and smooth cutting of materials like leather, resin, plastic, cardboard, acrylic, and more. Utilizing a vibration frequency of 40,000 times per second and ultrasonic energy, it effectively reduces material friction, boosting efficiency and minimizing heat. The cutter is durable, quiet, and user-friendly, equipped with system protections against amplitude control, overvoltage, and overcurrent. It includes specialized blades for various materials and offers 3 power modes: Eco, Comfort, and Sport. In continuous mode, the cutter operates without needing the button to be held down, ensuring ease of use. It's ideal for applications in 3D printing, dentistry, machining, crafting, or modeling, making it an excellent choice for precision tasks. Makita Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless tool engineered for effective cleaning of large areas with hard flooring. Its electronically controlled brushless motor maximizes battery efficiency, extending runtime by up to 50%. The vacuum utilizes a 3-stage cleaning system, which includes side brushes, a main brush, and powerful suction, ensuring deep and thorough cleaning. It offers up to 200 minutes of continuous operation, and its high-efficiency filtration system captures fine dust, while the 5/8 gallon dust bin reduces the need for frequent emptying. The device features a timer, a remote control, and operates in 2 automatic modes for obstacle navigation, along with 2 additional collection modes tailored for different cleaning environments. DEWALT Car Charger offers 72 watts of total power, allowing up to 5 USB devices to charge at once, making it perfect for all passengers. It includes 2 Type-C PD ports for fast charging and 3 USB-A ports featuring Quick Charge 3.0, capable of charging compatible devices up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Built with durability in mind, its rugged design handles daily wear and tear. A sturdy metal clip secures the adapter to the back seat pocket for easy access. The 6-foot reinforced braided cable ensures passengers in both the front and back seats can easily charge their devices.